Guys, everyone. Have a nice day to all of you. So I think it's time for me to guys to answer or to reply. My the only one basher, no? Okay, I feel relaxed at this moment, guys, and feeling relaxing. So I think I need to talk in English or to speak in English, guys, kasi he keep commenting and in a hits comment like that something. He sounds like mad. I don't know. Every time, mostly, he's only the one that he got, guys, very different of comments. No, hate comments. He sounds like he hate or mad. Something like that. No? Mm, basta, yun na, guys. So, I think maubusan talaga ako nito sa English, guys, kaya because he keep commenting in English. No, I don't think so if where he is. Because guys, when I tried to stalk him, but his profile is already locked. So, and then I don't know why he keeps commenting me like your overload of filter, something like that. You look so very old, a granny woman, or I don't know, but a lots of bad guys comments. No, it's hates comments. I don't know why he keep on commenting on my pictures and my videos. So sometimes I reply only, guys, I laugh only to him. I don't know why he feels he sounds mad that I never anyone to get mad anyone here. It's only thing I do here is only for to vibes, to enjoy, no, to have vibes in anyone and enjoy something like that. Sharing in a good, yes. I don't know why. So I don't think so. My miming is here. Oh, you see, guys. I don't know. Even my miming, he loves me. But have only one that feels have got mad on me. So anyway, yun lang. I don't think so. I'm not famous yet, but I have already guys, a basher. Anyway, shout out to you. You lock your profile. Yun lang, guys. Bye.